Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought today I would film a get unready with me video. I went ahead already and I put my little headband to have my hair away from my face, and as you can see I have a full face of makeup, and this was actually from my previous video, which was a quick everyday glam. So what I'm gonna go ahead is I'm gonna start by removing my makeup with the best makeup removers for me. This is just my opinion, okay? The highlight is popping, fucking popping. Anyways, I'm a cheap girl, okay? Do not judge me, we're all cheap. Unless you got buku bucks and you're just like, hey. Unless you got buku bucks and you're just like, hey, ballin'. But me, I'm ballin' on a budget, girl. Alright? So I'm actually gonna go ahead and use the Walmart brand makeup removers, the nighttime soothing ones. It's in the purple packet. You can actually get a pretty good deal for this. It's like $3 and some change for 40 towelettes, but you can actually buy the 2-pack for like $6 something, and it'll bring a total of 80 towelettes, which is a pretty good price. I usually use about 2 of these just because I like to remove my makeup as much as I can with this before I, wash my face. Such a shame to remove this pretty makeup. I literally did it, took pictures, and now I'm taking it off. Oh well. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to start removing my makeup. I like to be as gentle as I possibly can when removing my makeup. With my skin, I don't like to tug too much at it. If you ever thought that you got all of your makeup off with just one towelette, I'm going to shock you right now. Look at that. Sticking with my theme of drugstore brands, I'm actually gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do my night routine today with just drugstore brand things that I know to work for my skin personally, which I love and I think are really, really affordable. Now, I have noticed that my skin lately has been a little bit dry, like on the drier side, and aside from that, I do seem to have a little bit more of blackheads. So I'm actually gonna go ahead with this, with these nose strips from Global Beauty Care New York, and they are So Fresh So Clean charcoal cleansing nose strips. Now the way to apply these is that you have to moisten your nose, dry your hands, open the packet, peel strip off plastic liner, apply the strip, and then let dry at least 10 to 15 minutes. So I brought a little bit of a towelette so I could moisten my nose. Go ahead and I'm gonna dry my hand. Alright guys, so it's been about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this. That's gross. Alright guys, this is dry. It's already like crackling. I put a little bit too much on my nose and right here, so that's why that seems a little bit wet. It's actually ready for me to take off, so I'm gonna go wash this off and I will be right back. Does anybody else have this problem that they have such like thin and straight hair that even bleached and curled, somehow your curls just don't freaking last? I don't really like to use hairspray, so therefore I just like whatever lasts. Whatever doesn't will just get curled again. Anyways, to continue with our night routine, we're gonna go ahead and we're going to put a little bit of a lip scrub on our lips. Now I have two that I really enjoy, but today I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use the Milani Keep It Sweet Sugar Lip Scrub. This is number 2, Sugar Sweet. I like to really work it in the lips. Instantly I can see and feel the difference. Next, I like to go with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Eye Cream. A little drop goes a long way. I like to pat this onto my eye rather than like rubbing it in. And that just feels so nice. It's actually like water based, so it feels so wonderful on my eyes, and it's good for my skin. I do have combination skin, so for me, I'm very picky with the oils that I put on my face, or anything, or any moisturizers, anything really that I put on my face, just because I don't want extra oil to be created. Now, I've been having some acne lately, so I like to go in with the Acure Incredibly Clear Acne Spot. I like to grab this on those little pesky spots, and again, I'm very generous with the amount that I put on, and I just kind of let it soak into my skin. Now I like to go ahead with the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Serum and apply this all over my face and on my neck. This product, I am gonna say, is generous. It is about $20 or so, and I find that one pump is definitely not enough for my face and my neck. So usually I use about 2 pumps. I like to spread it out as much as I can, 1 pump on one side of my face, and just lightly rub it in Again, these are water-based. I'm gonna read the back a little bit because this is like my favorite thing. This is oil-free, instantly absorbs to quench dry skin and deliver higher hydration levels for fully hydrated skin that glows day after day. After this, I like to go ahead with the Pixie Skin Treats Rose Caviar Essence. And I apply a generous amount, again, all over my face, my neck. Can already see my skin glowing and just feeling fresh. Oh, it feels so good. Again, this also gets absorbed onto the skin so quickly. You don't even have to like rub it in or anything. Now the final step that I like to do for my drugstore skincare routine is I like to go with the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration overnight face oil with coconut milk and acacia Senegal. It softens and restores the skin. You don't even need that much with this. Go ahead and I put some on my forehead. I'll put some this will be that final step. Now, if you feel that your skin is too oily, or if you have combination skin and lately it's been more on the oily side, I would suggest steering away from this final step just because it is going to hydrate your face and create oils that might be unnecessary for you and might cause you to break out. But like I mentioned earlier in the video, my skin lately has been very dry, so this is just perfect because it is going to give me that glow. My skin is already soaking it in because like I said, I've had very dry skin lately. I'll use it all over my lips. And now I've got that natural glow. And mind you, everything I've applied is so oil free that this just like gives me that, it's not like extra oil added on because everything else is already oil free. So it's just perfect for that like extra hydration without allowing my skin to get super oily, so that way I don't break out. Okay, now you guys can literally apply $5,000 worth of skincare products, but the one thing that is going to help you the most is to stay hydrated. Drink lots of water, lots of fluids, and make sure that you're getting plenty of sun and you are just completely taking care of yourself, because it really starts from within. So make sure you drink that collagen, make sure you take all your vitamins, and that's it. So this is my skincare routine for nighttime. I do have a different one in the morning, especially depending if I'm gonna wear makeup or not, but I'll actually just do that in my next video. So if you're interested in watching that, you know what to do. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that you turn on that post notification bell if you want to get notified every time that I post a new video. Thank you guys, and stay blessed.